Hey guys, today's question is count the number of consistent strings. In this question, we are given with a string allowed and also a vector of multiple strings. And in this question, a string is consistent if all characters in the string appear in the string allowed. So, like for this example, for A and D, allowed is A and B. So, D doesn't appear in the string allowed. So, this is not consistent. For the B and D, the D again doesn't comes under the allowed string, so it is not also consistent. For this triple A and B, A is also present in allowed and B is also present in allowed string, so this is a consistent string. For B double A, it is also a consistent string. For B A D A B, as D is not present in the allowed string, so it is not consistent string. So the number of consistent string is 2. Also in the second example, here ABC, all the string contains only letters A and B, A, B and C, no any other character, so output is 7. So let's code for that. What we can do, we can simply make a set, we can make an ordered set of characters and we will push all the characters of allowed in that set. After that we will iterate over this vector, this given vector, and for every string we will check if all the characters that are present in the string are present in our unordered set or not. If any operator is not present, then we will not increment the counter, otherwise we will increment our counter. Initially we will take the counter as 0 and after all the operation we will return our count. Okay, so let's code for that. Let's first make the unordered set to get the count of all characters and save into this unordered set. Let's run a loop for that in the given string. So for int I equals to 0, I less than the given string is allowed dot size I plus plus. Now we will simply insert the element. So st dot insert the current element, which is allowed I. Now we have to take a counter to return that will store the number of strings that are consistent. Now let's run another loop in the vector. So for int I equals to 0, I less than vector name is words dot size I plus plus. Now for every word we also have to take another for loop. So for let's take j for that, j less than current word size, so words I dot size j plus plus. Now we will check if the current element is present in set or not. If it is not present, then we will change our flag. Let's take flag as any variable. Let's take it as all present. So what we are doing, we are taking a variable all present equals to 1. So if any of character appears that is not present in the set, we will change the value of all present, and after this for loop we will check if the value of all present is 1 or not. If it is not 1, then we will not increment our counter. So we can write after this for loop, if all present is still 1, that means all the elements, all the characters that appeared in that string were also part of the allowed string. So in that case we can say that is a consistent string and we will increment our counter. So what we have to write, we have to check the current string. So current character s1 find the current character is words ij. If it is not present, then that means double equals to st dot end. So this condition, if st dot find words ij double equals to st dot end, if this condition is true, that means the current element is not present, then we have to change the value of our flag, which is all present. So we'll change the value as 0 and we can break here. Now after all this operation, we can simply return our counter as the answer. Let's run this. Okay, let's submit it. So the code is accepted. Thank you for watching.